Welcome to Fewpips. In this guide, we'll create your account and apply to become an introducing broker, or IB for short, so you can earn money by referring traders. It's quick, and we'll do it together, step by step. First, head to the Fewpips sign-up page. Fill in your email, your first and last name, your phone number, your date of birth, and your country. Then create a password. It needs at least 8 characters, 1 capital letter, and 1 number. Tick the box to accept the terms. Confirm you're not a robot and click Register. Next, Fewpips emails you a 6-digit code. Check your inbox and your spam folder just in case. Then type the code into these boxes and click Validate. If it doesn't arrive, just press Resend. Once your email is verified, you're inside your Fewpips dashboard. This is your home base. Now, let's turn your account into an Introducing Broker account. Open the Introducing Broker page. As a partner, you earn a commission for every trader you refer. Getting started is simple. Send an IB request, accept the partnership agreement, and once you're approved, you get your own dashboard. Click Send IB Request to begin. Now read through the partnership agreement. When you're happy with it, tick the box to accept the terms. Then draw your signature in the box and save it. This electronic signature counts exactly the same as signing on paper. That's it. Your request is in. Fewpips will review it and notify you the moment you're approved. As soon as you are, your full Introducing Broker dashboard unlocks. We'll walk through that in the next guide. And that's how you become a Fewpips Introducing Broker. Get approved, grab your link, and start earning. When you're ready, head to fewpips.com.